Oh yeah, she's running rough. It's definitely this PVC valve and the intake here. I gotta take that apart. Okay. Alright, I'm basically done the plumbing for the bypass of the PVC positive crankcase ventilation valve. Check valve, serviceable. Note the orientation of the arrow. It's pointing towards that direction there. Intake, evaporate purge valve right here. Supplemental information if anybody wants to know what this part number is. Intake. Now I gotta plug the hole that's in there. Moment of truth. We're going inside. We're going inside. Done. Just like that. And then I can just connect all of the components together. And then I'm going to replace the valve cover. Alright, next sequence to the puzzle is putting on this brand new valve cover. Pry that off, break it free. There we go. And yes, a little bit of dirt got in top of the valve cover here. Fuck. Okay, I've almost seated the new valve cover. I've got my RTV in place, and I just want to make sure the gasket is sitting properly and everything is lined up. Going down. We're going down. A little bit of smooge, which is good. Hand threading these down a little bit. So I've gone ahead and I've completed the bolt tightening sequence and the torque specification for this detail. Alright, I've got this set for 71 foot-pounds, which is approximately 8 nanometers. Click. Everything is clicking at 71 inch-pounds. Just verifying everything is at that mark, 71 inch-pounds, and everything is clicking. I am satisfied that this is secured and tightened down to the specifications stipulated by the manufacturer. Dropping it in head first. There you go. It's in. You've got this on the terminal properly with good contact, full contact, and then get your 10 mil lock it, and tighten her down. Okay, let's start it up, see what happens. Look at that, started right up. You can hear it here. The valve cover, PVC valve, has been replaced and the bypass has been completed, and I cleared the codes, and the evaporate purge valve was replaced with a new one, and it's still showing the same codes that there is an issue with the purge valve. Evaporate purge valve. I took the vehicle because the check engine light was still on into GM, and I brought them a new customer supplied purge valve, and they installed it for me and charged me the labor for that, which was fine. But then I had the check engine light come back on after I brought the vehicle back home again. My check engine light is still on.